Mukoma blessed Komtlang.
So, I just want to clarify from you. You appear to be blowing what in code, because you appear to be saying that the president and these guys appear to be clean. But you also say when you named and shamed people in the party, like the Secretary of Administration, nothing happened. But now you've been suspended because you've named people who are outside the party in the corner. You are suspended by the highest body in ZANU-PF. I know you say the highest decision-making body is Congress, but in between the highest decision-making body is politics. And this is the core of ZANU-PF that has suspended you for naming corrupt people outside the party. And these people who suspended you sit in that political view is corrupt. It's those people that they are allegedly defending.
Okay. Mukoma blessed. The supreme policy-making organ of the party in between Congress is not the Politburo. It is the Central Committee, where I was a member before I was procedurally suspended. The guys who suspended us were accusing us of doing things procedurally. But they also continued to suspend us procedurally. But they should have arraigned us before a disciplinary committee to answer to allegations if there were any allegations. But they continued to suspend us. And the bus. But Nyana Mukoma blessed in the issue. At now suspend one a president and a vice president. The Politburo is not constituted in a Why do you continue to concentrate on 2 individuals when a whole Politburo in even more than 20? Why not say, why are you asking me would the president or vice president very clean? Apana Bota very cleaning. And dinner. Neither did I say they are dirty. Not having mentioned them that they are corrupt doesn't mean I didn't and now Kutibari and the tower of corrupt and not town. The never know another Taura Panap and it Kutingana Nangana. Why are you then roping Mamolanu? But Sinakudoma. If people have got evidence of the president being corrupt and the vice president being corrupt, we are not monopolizing this fight. You can come out and say, Tsenengamu pakati. Vari corrupt ndi nengi na nengi. Tobata ni dzakavako wataura newedu. Toita maonera pamba. Anditi. Taka suspend wane Politburo. Yatola a collective decision. Though I always na mandate yokudaro zvaini. But andimbozi appeal because zvine basa rekuita position. I'm comfortable ndiri kunze. I admit the independence of a card-carrying member. Control imbichana kaka nosina chigaro. Haubvunzwe stereki. Unongonzi musiya muzive. Unongochingota unongochidini. Unongochita. Vanhu vachitoti atakampedza. Ungapedze munhu anenge inini ndokundibvisa pachigaro. Haugona kundinyaradza for 1 year eka. Mugabe tried it. And handina kunyarara. Ende kana nanhasi imi matouya kwete because kuna PC but because kuna Tsenengamu. Saka chigaro hachina basa. So I'm not going to be silent for a whole year. I'll just push my issues and I don't believe in. So if anyone has got evidence yekuti kune vamwe vanhu vatakasiya, no, we have not cleared anyone. Hatina kumonopolize a fight. But chatiri kuramba ndechekuzama kuda kutipinza mufight yamuri kufunga kuti iripo pakati pavamunangagwa navachiwenga. Kana iripo endai munookera imimi. Musvika moiokera movaumbira mazamu avo mavati kana ivo vachida kurwa voita sei vorwa. But isusu we are not going to part to that because hatisi kuiziva fight yani yacho. All we know is Zimbabweans must unite. All we know is corruption must fall. Simple.